In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a robot on MT5. Understanding how to do this can greatly enhance your trading experience by allowing you to automate trades and utilize advanced trading strategies effortlessly. First, you'll need to get the robot file, which will serve as the key tool in enabling the automation of your trades. The best way to do this is directly from within MT5, as it ensures a smooth and straightforward installation process. Start by opening your MT5 trading platform. Once you have it open, navigate to the top menu and click on Tools. From there, select Options. In the Options window, you'll see a tab labeled Community. Go ahead and click on that tab. It's important to be logged into your MQL5 account at this point because you'll need access to the community features to continue. If you're not already logged in, please take a moment to do so. After you're logged in, you'll want to focus on the bottom panel of the MT5 window, where you'll find a tab labeled Market. Click on this Market tab to proceed. Here you'll have access to a wide variety of trading tools and resources. Now, in the search bar provided on the Market tab, type in Expert Advisor. This search will bring up a selection of expert advisors, commonly known as EAs. These tools are essentially the robots you are looking to install. Browse through the available options, paying attention to ratings and reviews to help guide your choice. For this process, we'll focus on downloading a free EA, which many traders start with to get comfortable using automated trading tools. Once you've identified an EA that interests you, click on it to bring up its details page. You'll see an option to download the EA, usually labeled as Download or something similar. Clicking this option will start the download process. One of the convenient advantages of using MT5 is that these EAs install automatically. You won't have to worry about manually copying files to specific directories on your computer. After the download is complete, the EA will be installed directly within your MT5 platform. To confirm the installation, you can check the Navigator panel on the left side of your MT5 window. In the panel, you'll find a section titled Expert Advisors. The newly installed EA should appear in this list, ready for you to activate and configure as needed. Remember, these tools are powerful, but it's crucial to test any EA in a demo account before applying it to a live trading scenario. This practice ensures that you understand how the EA behaves in different market conditions, helping you to avoid unexpected losses. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to install a robot on MT5. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.